Today we will be talking about locating two-wire decoders, with the Invent King Innovation DL Advanced Digital Cable Wire and Valve Locating System. At the controller, disconnect wires from the controller. Connect the red lead from the King DL transmitter to the disconnected wires. Insert the ground stake into the earth, and connect the black lead from the DL to the ground stake. Power on the DL transmitter. At this point, you can choose the type of signal that will be transmitted, a solid signal or beeping signal. On the transmitter, select Setup, and then press either up or down arrow until pattern shows. Press Select. Again, using the up or down arrow, toggle to either solid or beeping signal depending on your preference, and then press Save. After saving your preference, press the back button to return to the home screen. To begin sending the signal from the transmitter, select Direct Clip-On, and adjust the power level until OK appears on the screen. Power on the DL receiver, select Clip-On Low F and press the Start button. When using the DL locator, the transmitter and receiver must always be set to the same mode for correct operation. Verified the receiver is set to null mode. You can press the F2 button to switch between peak and no mode. With the receiver sensitivity set as low as possible while still being able to detect a signal, begin locating along the buried conductor. When the receiver is directly above the buried conductor, or is on either side of the buried conductor, it will indicate a peak signal. As you are locating, it is helpful to mark the buried conductor's location. When the DL receiver is directly above the decoder, the signal will increase noticeably. Once past the decoder, the receiver will return to a similar strength as before the decoder. Double-check your locate by repeating the same steps with the receiver in peak mode. With the DL receiver in peak mode, and the sensitivity set as low as possible, but still detecting a signal, located along the buried conductor you previously marked. Once the receiver is directly above the buried decoder, the peak signal will again increase noticeably and then return to a similar strength as was seen before the decoder. To learn more information about the DL Advanced Digital Cable Wire and Valve Locating System, or other Invent King Innovation products, visit us online at invent.com/kinginnovation.